Let's go to TJ Maxx to see what they have in new for spring, summer outfits. So this dress, I just thought it was cute, like a cute little party dress. $15 for this. It has a little scrunching on both sides, the thin straps, and it has a lot of stretch. Knit dresses, TJ Maxx has a ton of knit dresses. I thought this is a cute little basic one that you could just throw on. $15. They have a lot of tropical print like sets. So they don't come as sets, but you put them together as sets. So you can wear these for summer, for vacation. So this little top right here, $17 for that, and has a little tie straps. And then you can get the matching shorts for $17 for those too. And it has the same kind of tropical print on it. Like I said, these would be great for vacation, for summer. Ton of swimsuits in right now. So they have this one right here. I love the print on it. It has a little keyhole in front. $25. It has like the ruching, so just something nice. And then it has the full coverage on the back, kind of a low back. They have this Calvin Klein one here, just a nice little bold print. It was on clearance for $24. This one right here, an animal print one, and this one is like a one shoulder, so you can grab that. $25 for this one. This one right here, the little paisley print, kind of gives you that retro vibe, kind of the same cut as the other one with a little keyhole and everything. $25 for that one. So yeah, they have a ton of good swimsuit options right now. These are not clothes, but they do have a ton of sunglasses. So if you look for affordable sunglasses, they do have a lot at TJ Maxx. So these Vince Camuto ones, $13 for those. And I like a big shaped sunglass. I just feel like it goes better with my face. These right here, $13. This purple, loved it because you can see it kind of goes lighter as it goes down. $10 for those. And then it's frameless too. These little Betsy Johnson ones right here with the cute little star on it. $10 for those right there. Just a ton of different ones. These reflective ones right here are $10. Classic, like aviator shape. These heart ones right here kind of give you like a retro vibe. They didn't have a tag. Another pair of Vince Camuto ones, another cute heart ones. These have a frame on it, and these are only $10. So yeah, if you're looking for sunglasses, you might want to head over there. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all of them, they have cute, simple pieces, like basic staple pieces. So this bodysuit, the color is real nice, $13, or you can get a set of two. So that'll come in the white and black for $25. And the bodysuit is great because it doesn't rise up. It goes with a lot of different things. They're sleeveless. Ton of short options. So all of these shorts right here, just something good and basic. They have little prints, some without prints. $13. They have like the elastic shearing waist on them, so they kind of could be high waist. These right here with the little tie waist detail, little buttons in the front, $13. And then they had them in solid colors for $13. And this one right here had like a little ruffle detail on the bottom of it. So yeah, you can find a lot of cute shorts at TJ Maxx. This top, it's like, it's hard to kind of see, but it kind of has like that faux boning look to kind of look like a corset top. Thought that was nice. $8. It's like a basic ribbed knit top. And then this little ribbed knit top right here, $10 in like a basic color. You can get that in matte or in the black. Ton, like I said, of vacation tropical style sets that you might want to take a look at. A lot of them were Rachel Zoe. So they have this one right here. You can wear this kind of like off the shoulder, and you can pair it with the matching skirt here. You can also pair these with something solid and create a different look. $20 for the skirt right there. This one right here, so it has the same kind of floral tropical print. It has a lot of little ruffle details. So you can see $17 for that one, and then the ruffles go into the back, kind of a crop cut. And then again, you can pair it with a matching skirt. It has little tassels, it has the button details on it, and then the stretch waist to it, which is really great. $20 for that one right there. This one, somebody put it together like a set, but the pieces are sold separately. So $20 for the top, and it's just like, kind of a resort style top with a little short sleeves, the tropical print. And then you can pair it with the pants. I only saw one pair of pants though. And the pants are $25, and they have the elastic in the back, just a basic cut. And again, you can pair these separate. You can leave the top open, put a little cami underneath. This one right here with a really bold, colorful print, $20 for the top. You can wear it on the shoulder, off the shoulder. And then the matching little skirt with it, with all like the bold colors and the different details on that, $25 for that one right there. Just a ton. this little skirt, and this is another bold nice print, and this one is $20. This one right here kind of has like a wrap style, $20 for this one right here. And like I said, the same kind of tropical like print. You can just pair this with a basic white cami, some sandals, and be ready to go with this one. Another one good for vacation, good for summer. These, I love these, like the print, the colors are just really pretty for this one. So $17 for this one right here. It's a pair of shorts, and it has little pockets, little tie waist. Or you can do it, or you can get all the pieces, or you can do it with this wrap style skirt right here. And then of course it has a top that you can pair with both of those. The skirt $20, and then the top is right here for $17. So you can make this into like a couple different combinations. This one right here, love the little details on it. So $17 for the top. It has the thin straps and just a basic little cut top, but the straps, give it that extra little detail. And then it has like this really pretty beading, like, so it makes it look like, ethnic and stuff. This right here, $20, and it's the pants that go with the top. So again, you make it a set, you can wear it separate, because a lot of these bottoms just will go great with a little cami, a little same beading details and stuff on that right there. This is a set that is sold together. So the other ones you can buy the pieces separately. This one, it comes together. So it has a little crop top. It has like the shearing in the back. It has these cute little thick straps, which is a cute detail because you can hide your bra straps and stuff like that. Comes with the matching pants with the elastic in the back. And it is $30 for that set right there. This one right here from across the way, it looked like an old school denim set. It's Nicole Miller, but it's not. So it's $30 for the top. It's rather lightweight, but it looks like that old school denim set, but it's rather lightweight. So that was real nice. So it's long sleeve, loose flowing, and then you can pair it with the matching pants. And this is another one where you can leave the top open, like kind of wear it like a jacket, put a little cami underneath, kind of like a cargo style pants. The buttons are really pretty on it. It has pockets. $20 for those right there. So yeah, that'll make a cute little set too. So yeah, they have a lot of little things you put together. This dress I thought was so pretty, and you have to feel it. Like the fabric has this like different feel to it and stuff, and that's the little tag, because like a lot of high-end things, so it's 120, but a lot of high-end things they put the tag on the outside, so you can't wear it and then return it because you got to take that tag off once you're ready to wear it. But just so pretty, you have to like feel it. But yeah, that dress I just thought would be perfect for summer, for spring. This dress right here, a little Calvin Klein dress, basic kind of dress, but it just has little cute details. $40, has the drawstring waist. It comes up to plus sizes, at least at my TJ Maxx it did. And it has little details on the bottom, like I said, the drawstring, sleeveless. This little outfit right here, so another Calvin Klein piece, with the belt. It's sleeveless, the little buttons in the front, kind of like a suit kind of blazer look. For this one right here, and that one was $40 for that one. This one, love the color on it. So it has a little pocket details in the front, the exposed zipper down there. $25 for that one right there. So yeah, and this one is belted too, so you can belt the waist and like cinch it in if it's too much of a boxy shape for you. Just thought that was real cute, especially the gold hardware on it. Jumpsuits they had that I like. So this red one right here kind of has like a little detail in the front with the V zipper in the back, thick kind of straps. $20 for those right there. This little cute dress right here, something nice and simple for this one right here. Just cute little subtle details on this one, and it has like kind of like the tearing type bottom on it. And this one came in another color too, and it has like the keyhole in the back. So $20 for that one right there. You had two different color options at my TJ Maxx for that one. Just a lot. I love a sundress. I love when summer and spring come around because you can wear your cute little sundresses. $25 for this one right here. It's like an orange color floral print, which says for the season, and then it has kind of a little detail up top, and then the different prints. I thought that was pretty. This one right here is just interesting because it kind of has like a boning in it. that shapes it, but it's not like a heavy boning. So $25 for that one right there. And then it has like the bold print. This one just another delicate looking one to me. So the color is nice and neutral, and just the details are like just real pretty and delicate on that. So this is just something pretty, especially if you love a cute looking dress, you might want to grab that. And it's only $20. Another great jumpsuit that they had that I thought was really nice. So this one with the bold pink color, the shape around the top there, $20, not bad at all for that. So your TJ Maxx has a lot of cute pieces right now for spring, for summer, for vacation. And then they do have other pieces, that'd just be good for all year. Something like this sweatshirt right here. This is just good for all year around. And TJ Maxx and Marshalls and all of them always have good sweatshirts. So $15 for this one. I just like the print that was on it. This little top right here, I thought it was a nice little girly-like looking piece. $17 for this one right here. Kind of has like a little light padding up the top. And then I thought it went cute with these shorts. So these shorts, like, kind of like a dress short, but not like a dress short. The thick waistband on those. Thought those were nice. And the color is just real pretty too. So yeah, $15, and that'll make a cute little set. This little top right here, thought it was nice with the yellow and the floral print on it. And just again with the pretty details that just make it, have it that girly look. $13 for that one right there. Not bad at all. This one, another little floral print, because floral prints to me say spring, summer. Again with the nice size straps, like hide your bra strap. $13 for that one right there. And then this right here, $15, and these are pants. They don't go with the top. They could go with the top. But they're not the exact same print. This top right here, another pretty one, $13. You can see the little tie detail up front. It has the shearing, so it has a lot of stretch to it. This one, I love the cut of it. Okay, so I don't know if you can really tell, but it like cinches in real nice. It kind of has a higher back at the bottom there. $13 for that one. This one right here, $13. And it's like a satin like, and then it has just like that the cute details with the pleating on the one shoulder. So yeah, TJ Maxx has a ton of nice things right now.